Yes. First of all, under Section 3055, if the governor fails to make a request within a reasonable time, then the president, as in the instant case, will exercise his constitutional powers under Section 305 to make a proclamation of a state of emergency in Nigeria or in any part of Nigeria. And then the Constitution in Section 3053 lists out certain circumstances that can lead to that situation. If Nigeria is in a state of war, for example, the president can make that proclamation.
Okay.
And if any part of the country is endangered in any way, if there's a threat to the lives of the people or to the property in that state, the other day we heard about some vandalization or a blowout of some oil pipelines. No president can cross his fingers and allow those kind of things to happen. The gladiators should have seen the handwriting in the wall. There is a need to ensure at all times, particularly our political leaders must have the responsibility of holding the welfare of the people at all times. It shouldn't be about their personal interest. It should not be about a fight between one man and the other. They must always think about the people, and if they have thought about the people, they would have seen ahead of time that it will lead to an inevitable breakdown of law and order, such as we are witnessing at the moment.
Okay, quickly, how can we guard against such in the future, a reoccurrence in the future? In few words.
Maintain your responsibilities under the Constitution. The Constitution has divided powers between the executive, the legislature, and the judiciary. So everybody has responsibility under the Constitution. Bear in your hearts the protection of the ordinary people. The same Section 14 of the Constitution says sovereignty belongs to the people. And you can only give the people their sovereignty by being able to maintain peace and order. Give them the primary essence of governance. Let the people feel that they have a government they can trust, whether it's at the local government level, at the state level, or at the federal level. And if you remember a development in this nation where the Supreme Court at some point made a pronouncement on the autonomy of the local government, you can also see a federal government that is aiming at ensuring that the welfare of the people are protected. All political leaders at all times must bear in their heart the interests of the people. If you have the interests of the people at heart, this kind of crisis cannot emerge, particularly in a democratic setting such as our country.
James Igwe, SAN, I want to thank you so much for joining us on the news. Thank you very much for your thoughts.